the $3.4 trillion digital product boom, why now is the moment, and how Turnkey Flow gets you started fast. Hey friend, welcome back. Today we're diving into something super eye-opening, a stat that might make you go, wait, that's real? And once you hear it, you're going to understand exactly why now is the smartest time to step into digital business. I'm breaking the whole thing down like you're in 5th grade. Not because you're not smart, but because simple is how we make things move. Simple gets results. Simple gets you out of your head and into action. And then I'm going to show you how a system like Turnkey Flow helps you skip the struggle and start earning in a space that is exploding. Let's go. So check this out. The global digital product and e-learning market is expected to hit $3.4 trillion by 2025, the end of this year. Yes, trillion, like a T. Now let me break this down 5th grader style. Imagine every person in your entire city, your state, maybe even your whole country giving you $1. That is what trillion feels like. This industry isn't growing, it's exploding. It's like someone opened a door and millions of people rushed in saying, teach me something, show me something, give me something I can download, help me skip the learning curve. And here's the part people don't realize. Most people are buying digital products than ever. But more creators are needed to keep up with demand, meaning you are not late. You're actually early. You just don't know it yet. What this means? Let's simplify. People are learning online. People are spending online. People want solutions fast. And guess who gives you those solutions? Regular people, moms, students, 9-to-5ers, beginners, people who learned one thing that helped them and packaged it into something someone else could buy. You don't need a degree, a giant following, perfect tech, fancy branding, years of experience. Here's what you do need. A simple product to sell, a simple system to follow, a simple way to get started. And that's why you're here. Because this stat isn't just cool information. It's a wake-up call. A $1 trillion industry is expanding whether you're in it or not. And today, you get to decide if you're watching the wave or you're riding it. Let me break this down to you 5th grader style. Let's pretend you're in 5th grade and I'm your cool teacher. Imagine there's a giant lemonade stand on your street. People aren't just buying lemonade, they're buying lemonade recipes, lemonade flavor guides, lemonade stand starter kits, videos on how to make lemonade better, downloads for lemonade sign designs. People want lemonade information and lemonade products. That's what digital products are. And right now the whole world is thirsty. You get to decide, are you watching a lemonade stand or are you setting one up? How Turnkey Flow fits perfectly into this stack. This is where the magic comes in. Turnkey Flow exists for one reason: to help beginners step into the digital product industry fast without needing to build everything from scratch. This means you don't have to create a product from zero. You don't have to guess what works. You don't have to overthink everything. You don't have to struggle to figure tech out. You just plug in, follow the steps, and start participating in the very industry that's becoming a multi-trillion-dollar giant. And the best part, Turnkey Flow gives you a ready-to-sell digital product, a proven system, a community, training that makes sense, a path to profit even if you're brand new, and yes, flexible payment plans so you can start even if the money is tight. You're not just watching the growth of digital products, you're stepping into it. So, my call to action to you. Now let me talk to you like your momentum mentor for a second. You've been looking for something, a way up, a way out, a way to create a new normal for yourself. This stack is your green light. If you don't want to be on the losing side of a $1 trillion wave, you've got to move. And Turnkey Flow was built for that first step. The step, the shift, the door that gets you in the room. So here's what you do next. Click the link below, enroll in Turnkey Flow, choose the plan that fits your life. Yes, payment plans are available. Give yourself the green light. Start building inside the industry that's creating more online income than anything else right now. Simple, clear, doable. You don't need to chase opportunities anymore. You just need to say yes to the right one. That stat is just a number until you decide you're not going to be part of the wrong side of it. You're capable, you're ready, and this is your moment to step into a digital industry that is changing lives every single day. Turnkey Flow gives you the tools. You bring the commitment and the heart. Let's build your new normal. Let's get you inside the wave, not watching it roll by. Let's see you inside, or I'll see you inside.